Adjust the size of the container. Swap the images around. Add a background color. Insert an icon into this container. Drag the icon out. Modify the size of the icon. Perform vertical centering. Replace the color with gray again. Add another icon. Modify the size of the icon. Reselect an icon. Press the icon to drag out. Modify the color of the icon. Modify the icon size. Center it vertically. These containers are then made invisible. After that, we insert another container. Adjust the size of the container. Align its bottom. Add another color. Finally, we add a rounded corner to it. Disassociate. Clicking on this container, we add a container to it. Adjust the size of the container. Align its bottom. Cancel its background color. Insert a further container. Modify the container size. In this container, we insert a text box. Enter the text. Adjust the font size. Click on this container. Add a stroke to it. Disassociate. Add a bottom stroke. Choose a color. Let's order this background again. We add a background color to it. Cancel the background color. Modify the font size. Color change to white. Then we add a container. Modify the size of the container. Add rounded corners. Modify the size of the icon. Change the color to white. Recenter vertically. Then we click on this container. We add a general model variable to it. Make a copy. Enter the number of copies to be made. Add a stacking state. Click on this container. Let's give it a tweak in alignment. Let's add a container here. Adjust the size of the container. Modify the background color of the container. We then adjust the position of this container. Add a container. Modify the size of the container. Background color. We click on this container, we add a substate to it. Click to activate the second status. Modify its location. Click again to activate the fourth substate. Similarly modify its position. Activate both states. After that we click on this container again. The same operation adds a setting status. Perform activation. Change the background color. status change. Select the object. Let's add one more status change. The object selects this icon. We choose this one. Activate the substate. The object selects this icon. Select substate 1 for a preview view. Then resize this container. Click on the third one to add a substate. Activate this substate. We change the background color. We insert another text box. Enter the text. Add text size. Change the font color to white. Reinsert another icon. Drag the icon out. Resize the icons. Change the color of the icons a little. The background color is modified. We click on this text box. Add a one-dimensional model variable to it. Double-click to add. Enter the text to be entered in turn. Replace its text. By clicking on this container, we add a status. Activate this state. We make it invisible. Finally, a second state is activated. By clicking on this icon, we add an interaction to it. Click on the status change. Object selection. Select this invisible state. Make a preview. Adjust the time interval. this container visible, we click on this container again. Add a shadow to it. After that, we click on this icon again. Again, add a status change to him. The object selects the container that was just there. Make a preview view. This completes it. In the video content used to iFOD several functions, such as interaction, substate editing and so on to build a tip pop-up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.